Hello everyone! So, i-flex ko lang pala yung 5-1 Talk polo shirt na na-receive ko kay 5-1 Talk. Akala ko malaki. Yan, kasyang-kasya lang pala. Medyo malaki pero mas maganda naman tignan na medyo maluwag siya. Ayoko yung very fit. At saka yung lanyard, ang ganda siyang tignan. Yan. Pero ito, hindi to galing kay 5-1 Talk. Bili ko lang to sa online. Yes, diba ang ganda? Okay, so yung gustong mag-apply dito sa 5-1 Talk, alam nyo na yung gagawin nyo. I-message nyo lang ako para na magka-earn naman kayo while you are at home. Kung mayroon naman kayong complete requirements at saka magaling kayong mag-English at saka willing na willing kayong matutong mag-teach ng mga foreign students. Usually, dito kasi sa 5-1 Talk mga bata. Pero syempre, when you are new to 5-1 Talk, magkakaroon ka talaga ng mga teenagers, ng mga student at saka adult students. It does not mean na bata lang talaga yung tuturuan nyo dito sa 5-1 Talk. Marami talaga yung may gusto ng yellow na polo shirt at saka itong blue na lanyard. Lanyard nga pala ito kasi yung iba tinatawag nilang lace or parang kwintas. Cute kasi tignan, di ba? Pero ito naman, style ko na to. Depende na yon sa inyo if you're going to have tirintas na ganito kasi I really like na cute akong tignan. Para naman yung mga bata, sa'yo talaga yung attention. Kasi, ay, parang ang cute talaga ni teacher tapos mayroong headband, di ba? Pero if you are an FT teacher, hindi to pwede. Dapat malinis talaga. Dapat maaliwala sa harapan. Pero if you are having regular students and fixed students, okay lang naman. Hindi ka naman maku-QA kung ganito siya. Kung gusto nyong mag-apply, message nyo lang po ako, teachers. I will be very willing to support your teaching journey in every step of the application process. So I will act as your tipster and I will be providing you materials na available ko lang. Tapos I will guide you and maybe help you along the way. And then after your launching, I could still assist you in your first how many days naman. Or kahit nga yung iba na medyo matagal na sa ESL, mayroon pa rin silang mga katanungan sa akin and I'm very willing naman to answer their queries. Kasi syempre, they are from my guidance. Yung iba, hindi nila kasi alam saan sila magre-reach out. Kahit nga yung iba, hindi ko referral. Pero I'm still sparing time to answer their queries. Pero syempre, very limited rin yung oras ko. Yung iba, hindi ko na talaga makater. Pasensya na po talaga. So, thank you very much, 5-1 Talk. I will be forever be grateful to this company because you welcomed me. Marami talagang mga hugot moments. Marami talaga akong natutunan kay 5-1 Talk. Kahit na I am already a teacher by profession, iba pa rin yung natutunan ko being an ESL teacher. So again, for those who are interested, you're just going to simply message me para naman mapansin ko kayo at mag-guide ko kayo. That's all for today. Thank you so much and have a great day. Bye-bye!